Common mistakes insurance companies love you to make after you've been in a wreck. Number 1, admit fault. Turns out wrecks are often much more complicated than you think they are up front. And even if you think that you're at fault, it may also be the other side's partial fault. Your words will be twisted later. Don't admit fault. Let your lawyer worry about that and do that for you if that's necessary. Insurance companies love it when you don't get medical care. The problem is that when you don't get checked out, insurance companies will take the position that any injury that you have that's lingering, that eventually becomes so problematic you eventually go see a doctor, they're going to claim that it wasn't from the wreck. The best thing to protect yourself is go get checked out. Stoicism. They like stoicism, which means being macho, not complaining about what's really hurting. When you go to the doctor, complain about everything. The reason is you don't know how you're going to feel a month from now or 2 months from now. And so even if it's your back that's hurting the most and your shoulder that's hurting just a little bit, in 2 months from now, it may be the shoulder that's getting a surgery because your back's okay. So make sure you complain about everything to that doctor so it all gets documented. Talking to insurance adjusters. When it is your own insurance adjuster, you may be required under your contract to speak with them. But if you're going to get a lawyer involved, and I recommend it, speaking with the other insurance adjuster is usually a mistake. The insurance adjusters are trained to make you say stupid things, and they will take your words out of context. It is much better to let the attorney tell your story for you at the beginning. If it goes to trial, you'll have your chance to talk under oath, but let your attorney speak for you when speaking with the adjuster. Not getting a lawyer. The truth is, in the vast majority of cases, lawyers significantly increase the value of the case because lawyers know the value of the case. Adjusters have a lot of tricks to try to convince you that your case is not as valuable as it really is. It's funny, they actually will often have different desks, different adjusters that deal with lawyers versus those that deal with people without lawyers. And they do that because the ones that deal with lawyers know they need to pay more money. Hiring the wrong lawyer. Insurance companies love it when you hire lawyers that all they do is settle cases, because the adjusters don't pay the same amount of money for those kind of lawyers as they do for the ones that actually go to trial. If your lawyer does not have a good reputation with that insurance company, the insurance company is just not going to pay the same amount of money.